Hello everybody, this is Sangeeta and welcome to my channel Sayujam the Art Zone. When we talk about hand embroidery, mirror work is inevitable. It is also called Sisha work. It is a beautiful traditional work. Today I will be showing how to do the basic mirror work in two ways. One will be the traditional method and other will be a very easy method for beginners. So come on, let's get started. There are many types and sizes of mirrors available in the market. We can choose any as per our project's requirement. Here I am using these round medium size mirrors to begin with. I have taken 6 strands of thread and secured it with a knot. Let's start with the traditional method first. You may place the mirror on the cloth and hold it while working, or if you find it difficult, you may stick the mirror on the cloth using a fabric glue, which is easily available in the market. We will first make the frame of the mirror to hold it intact in place. Hold the mirror like this and bring the thread up and start forming triangles as I am showing here. You need not be very particular about the shape. Just keep turning to form the triangular shapes. You may take 2 such rounds of triangles to form a strong frame. You may make 3 to 4 such rounds of triangles for bigger mirrors. Now hold the thread on the left side and start making buttonhole stitch, passing the working thread through this frame. Once you finish the stitch, pierce the needle down and secure it with a knot, and the mirror work is ready. Isn't this very simple and beautiful? Now let's do the mirror work with a super easy technique. We will make the outer covering of the mirror separately and attach on the mirror instead of making a frame. Let's see how to do that. Hold the tip of the thread like this on the index finger and wrap 2-3 times like this. Check the size of the circle by holding it on the mirror like this. It should be smaller than the size of the mirror. You may use a pencil or any stick for smaller mirrors. and you may use two fingers or something big for bigger mirrors. I'll show it again. See, like this. Okay, now hold it like this and start making the buttonhole stitch around this as I am showing. Once you complete a round, you can further extend 2 to 3 rounds of buttonhole stitch by passing the thread through each loop formed. I am taking a second round here. Okay, now this is done. I suggest to stick the mirror on the fabric first for this method to keep it intact in place. Now we will place it on the mirror like this and attach it with the fabric. We will start attaching this frame to the cloth. First we will attach from all the 4 sides to secure it and then take some stitches all over till we feel it is completely attached on the fabric. We can further beautify this by making many variations. Here we will make the lazy daisy stitch around the mirror with another color thread. I'll be showing more variations in the upcoming videos. You may watch my earlier videos on basic stitches to see how to make the buttonhole stitch and lazy daisy stitch. I have provided the links in the description box and at the end of this video. I'll finish this and show how it will look like. This is how it will look like after finishing. Please do let me know your views on today's video in the comment section. Also like and share this video if you found it useful. Those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notifications of my new videos. I will come up with more on mirror work and other hand embroidery in the upcoming videos. Until we meet again in the next video, take care and bye-bye.